Adrian Mays, Canton SEO, Change Digital Marketing, CCC Because We Care Foundation, BeingTheChange.LLC.com. Wants to say Adlabs is what's up. Rick, this is the best picture I could get of you, my friend. But Rick Shabrika with Adlabs, the science of social ads. Thank you for this course. This is the course for you. Why? Thank you, Amanda, for your mentorship and your coaching. Parker and Amit for actually being patient, because we are on the first page of Google. We leverage the tool ShineRanker that I'll show you in a moment. As you can see, the results of 2 million views. This is your girl, Adrian Mays, leveraging keywords with Detroit's ChatGPT Revolution Shorts. And it was a Revolution Sports, Education, and Business. So I did a blitz last night. When I did my live, I actually snapped it up in regards to a tool that I can't think of right now for this live. But ShineRanker is what you want to use for your lead generation. So everybody in Adlabs needs to get ShineRanker with Chase Reiner. You can go through my actual affiliate link, which is bit.ly/change ShineRanker, because give me some love for this. But look at this here. So you can actually have a leads list, building your client database of business owners based on your niche. And so you can invest in actually the ad, ShineRanker is only like $300 for the annual, $400 for the annual pass. So I'll give you my link again. It's still be in the description. But winning, thank you, Amit, Parker, Amanda. Don't give up, y'all. I can, I will, I must. Let's go.